Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clear the browsing history on your Chrome browser. So firstly, head over to your Chrome browser and click on the three menu line at the top right corner and click on history. So once you click on the history, you're going to see an option to delete browsing data at the top left corner in the history option. So you just have to click on the delete browsing data, and once you click on it, it's going to be giving you an option of what you want to delete. You just have to click on it all and delete data. So it's just going to take a few seconds and all your history is going to be deleted on Chrome. So that's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, guys.